That is, work of waste and ruin. Do as Charles and I are doing. Strawberry, blossoms, one and all. We must spare them. Here are many. Look at it. The flower is small. Small and low, though fair as any. Do not touch it. Summer's too. I am older, Anne, than you. Pull the primrose, Sister Anne. Pull as many as you can. Here are daisies. Take your fill. Pansies and the cuckoo, flower of the lofty daffodil. Make your bed or make your bower. Fill your lap and fill your bosom. Only spare the strawberry blossom. Primroses, the spring may love them. Summer knows but little of them. Violets, a barren kind, wither on the ground must lie. Daisies leave no fruit behind. When the pretty flowers die, pluck them, and another year, as many will be blowing here. God has given a kindlier power to the favored strawberry flower. Hither, soon as spring is fled, you and Charles and I will walk, lurking berries, ripe and red. Then we'll hang on every stalk, each within its leafy bower, and for that promise, spare the flower.